So I get asked this question very frequently from my clients and my students. The question being that should I be an investor or should I be a trader? The simple answer to this would be you could be both. The only challenge out here is that you need to understand the difference between investing and trading. So the difference between investing and trading is when you make an investment, you look at that investment with a long-term point of view, which would be anything between 1 to 5 years. When you look at trading, you invest with the point of view that you look at it anything between a couple of days up to maybe a few weeks or a month or maybe even more. So the difference is very simple. You need to understand why you've got into this trade. Is it because you're looking at it at a long term view or are you looking at a short term view? If you're looking at a short term view, you become a trader. It's very simple. And if you look at it a longer period, which is more than a year, then of course you become an investor. So now I would tell you that if you're looking at stocks to do with long term view, you could get into looking into the fundamentals of the company. When I talk about the fundamentals, it's very simple. You're looking at the strength of the company, the balance sheets, the accounts. When I talk about trading of stocks, I look at it as a short term view where you look at charts and you look at technical analysis. So having said that, stay tuned for my next video, and you can follow me, share and like this video. Thank you for watching.